Back at it today. I still don't have my mufflers, but I did get my power steering plumbing that I needed. So, pretty beefy, high pressure line. I believe it's rated to like 3,000 PSI. And then our fittings that we got. So, basically, for the LS power steering pump, you need the 5/8, and then I did to 6 AN fitting, and that's going to go right down there. We're going to run that to here, which this is the CPP quick ratio steering box. This is an 11/16, so you need an 11/16 flare to a 6 AN, and then the output is a 5/8 again. So we have two of those, one of the 11/16, and then the return line actually just fits onto here. There was no proper fitting. You're just going to put that on and hose clamp it. Instead of a hose clamp, I opted for one of these, so it kind of looks like an AN fitting. The problem is this one's just not, I didn't get the right size. So I've got to get one bigger. This one is the, see if that'll focus here, let's see. 6 EconoFit 5/8 inner diameter, and obviously we need something bigger than that. So let's get going on this. It is actually a couple days later. There was a small complication that I'll show you and explain why that is. Alright, so on the back of the power steering pump, this is the fitting that was on there originally, and when I put this, or took this off, excuse me, and put the AN fitting on, although it threads nice, I could tell at the bottom it just didn't really feel like it was seating right. So when I looked at it, the inside of this is rounded and requires a flare. So this has a flare, where this is an inverted flare. And it, like I said, it just wasn't necessarily seating right. So the remedy to that from Holly is this piece here. Now it also comes with an extension, so that's going to make accessing the line a lot easier. So I'll show you how that fits in, but if you need a part number for that, come on. There we go. There's that. Now I also got the correct EconoFit. This is the -8. The inner diameter on this is 11/16. are done. I certainly, heater off. So I certainly didn't need to use that high pressure line, that thick stuff on the return line here. But when I bought it, I got 6 feet of it, and it's a very short run, so I had lots of it. So I ended up using it for that reason. So yeah, that's done. Another thing to check off the list. So what you're going to see in the next video is I actually started on the exhaust. I didn't really like the way the flow of how these videos were going to come out was going to be. So you're going to just see all that in the beginning of the next one. I started building it before I had the mufflers, and I just got those in. So as a little sneak peek here, got 2 of these bad boys. So we're going to be running these. So stay tuned for that, and we'll get those put in. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon once I get that exhaust put in.